All right, guys, we are very excited to bring to you another episode of the world's most deadliest catch. Deadliest boards. Deadliest catch is another show, right?
That's another show, yeah.
Right. So this board was in the poll. We actually voted on Instagram. If you guys are following at Braille Skate Instagram, you could have voted. And this board was in there. And then we realized it doesn't work. You guys see that? Shocker, though.
Maybe because it's not plugged in.
Okay, plug it in. See if it works. Look at the shocks right there. See that?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, and over here it's going like a wild stallion. Boom! Scared you? Now it's on.
So we need gas.
No, see the thing is that the gas spray wouldn't work. Does it smell?
It does
A
smell.
little bit, it
It
does.
smells like propane.
Actually, I think that's my body odor.
Everyone evacuate the area!
Okay, so needless to say, oh, that's the button you're supposed to push.
I kind of want to keep my eyebrows.
Okay. Well, needless to say, this one we're not going to use, although it is rather deadly. So instead, we're doing the screws board. Just screw it.
There's blood all over it.
There's melted wax all over it. Why did every one of these have something to do with lit it on fire or
I
something?
just cut myself. Just a little bit. Can't really see it, but it hurts.
We haven't even started skating yet, and we've
Took
already
my job.
done blood. Done blood?
I
And
hate
then we have this one, which is a piece of metal. Danger, sharp edges, Fetty pickup not recommended. Please don't.
I hate this thing.
And then Fetty, who hates this thing, which I think this is also on the episode of the world's heaviest boards, if I'm not mistaken.
It was.
So here's what we're gonna do. We're going to Rochambeau. You guys know the rules. We're gonna Rochambeau. We're gonna play a game of skate. This is full park. The person who wins first gets to pick the board they want, but then the boards rotate.
So we're going
Is
to have
that
to
a
skate them all
rotation?
anyways.
Yeah.
JK,
Yeah,
Gabe
but
is
you get
cool.
it.
Dude, that sucks.
JK Gabe is cool.
Does it really say that?
Yeah.
Oh, I appreciate that guy.
I think they're saying like Gabe,
Gabe
is
goes
cool.
last right here, see?
Oh, Gabe goes last.
Oh, no.
JK Gabe is cool. I think they meant like Gabe is cool. Joke. Here, let's go. Did I win?
No,
This happens all the time.
You just got destroyed.
Wang dango.
You switched it up.
Well, I'm
this
last.
time.
First, second, third.
So pick your boards.
We are doing full park,
Okay, good.
and you have chosen this.
Yep, I'm screwed.
And I'm choosing this because I'm 2 Chains.
This was my first favorite skate brand. World
Oh, World
Industries.
Industries?
My
Wow.
first board.
That was my
Was
first
it?
board too.
50-50.
I love them.
Well, Aaron didn't want me to go straight for the 5, so.
Try and front board that rail.
He doesn't know what he's doing. There's screws sticking through the board. That's not gonna slide. I'm gonna break their soul from the first trick. Flat ground kickflip. I quit. I'm out. I give up. Now the rotation. And you just go ahead and pop out.
Nollie 360 to hip.
I was screwed. I feel like you tell him what videos are coming up and he practices all week. Board scares me, trick scares me, Fetty scares me. We're out. He's just trying to change the board.
Kickflip.
Wow.
The last 2 videos, Fetty didn't have such a good go. Right now, he's going straight for the nuts.
I haven't experienced any of these boards, so I'm still trying to feel it out.
That's what they all say. I'm coming up. This one right here is for Magneto. That was Nito.
No slide?
See, I never skated the screw board, and I don't want to. Did no
I
slide?
did.
He did a back handspring, and he still landed. Look at that. I thought I could cheat my way to not getting a letter, and I did.
Rest in peace. That worked out really good.
You're very good at giving advice. Good job.
Thank you.
If I would have landed the first kickflip on that, the game would be over, and I would have won.
You are a balancing maestro.
I hope I get a T on this.
As the shirt says, go fast and commit.
Don't tell me what to do. Thought we were doing a feeble. Braille's Gnarliest Falls episode 2 coming soon. Are your ribs okay? How are thy kidneys? I'm pretty sure I have A. I made a joke about a T and then it confused everyone. I may or may not have T, but right now I have A. So we're going to sing Katy Perry. Side rock.
Oh no. Wang dango.
Remember what I said.
Exactly am I trying to remember?
Don't worry about it. The kickflip. You film that?
Yeah, I filmed that.
Oh, what board is
Off
next?
again.
The screws? Now I will reap thy revenge, suckers! Woo! Go ahead, cheaters. Kickflip that. Alright, they just changed the rules mid everything. Ruined my entire life.
I told you before you popped, so.
I needed that land to build myself up for this. I thought I was gonna miss that and break both ankles and smash my nuts. I knew it, see?
So dangerous.
They injure themselves and I automatically win because they're out.
That actually didn't hit me anywhere.
Why is he walking funny?
That's just how I walk.
I'm scared of this board, honestly.
Manual the long box. Oh! I thought for sure Fetty would get a letter on this. Nothing. He just took it down like it was nothing. Whoa! Oh yeah. Nose manual. We're screwed. Oh! My foot got caught on a screw and I still landed. Can you help me? Whoa! These guys think they're so cool. All right, want to play dirty? Let's go.
Pizza guy!
Come on! There you go. There you go. Watch those open toes, though. You need to at least put some socks in there. What's new? How are the kids? Yeah. You gotta bring them here sometime. Yeah, I should do some lessons. Clearly, he's stoked.
There we go. Good. That's okay.
Oh, no.
I'll hold it.
We'll hold it for you.
Okay, this time.
That's
This
not
time.
Put your hand
on my shoulder.
Just don't move. Don't move.
There you go. Good.
Okay.
Stay right
The
there.
most dangerous and bad idea.
That's right.
Yes, pizza guy.
Yeah, not easy, man.
Not easy, huh?
Not easy.
Right on.
Yeah. Now you know what I have to go through every day.
Okay.
Do you feel bad for me?
Oh, no. You're good. You're good. You're good. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you, guys.
Have a good one, pizza guy.
Take it.
He's got no sympathy. Does he?
Defense. You're a hater.
Your front foot fully, was off.
It drags, yeah. But it's defense.
I'm actually scared of this board. Whatever it's called.
I'm watching too.
Now you're just
So the
being
letter is
mean.
now
I would have given him that.
ATK.
That wasn't mean, but what I'm about to do right now, so mean. Good thing I'm wearing protection and you guys aren't. But it was in slow-mo and it was on offense.
Oh, he's going for you now.
Oh my god.
Fetty, please never do that again.
Nose manual up a bank. Can I do that? I'll go up this one.
I mean, it was offense and it was in slow motion, so I think it counts.
That's good.
It's not a pala, it's a whirler.
Try switch. Heel flip body barrel.
switch disco flip? You're not supposed to do any real tricks. This is the world's deadliest boards. I might need to do it today. I learned on that trick someday.
So,
All I could think about was that sharp pieces of metal going straight at my sphincter.
yeah, you could do that too.
Nope. Dang it.
Look at you, see the taco?
Great. I don't even know how to begin to want to try that. Oh! That's what I'm saying! Oh! That's what I'm saying! This is just like that movie I watched last night, The Quiet Place. Oh! Don't use that side, use that side.
Yeah.
I'm out.
Okay.
Well, there goes my turn.
Poor shoe.
Try to go for a 180, but didn't work out very well. What a waste of a turn. Nollie back 5-0. Dude, that's really sick. Right up.
Ouch.
Note to self, you gotta go fast. I would have rather just did a feeble.
And the winner is Christopher McNugget. Let's give him a hand. You guys can go ahead and subscribe to his channel. The link will be in the description below, but don't subscribe to Fetty's because he doesn't have one.
Well, I do.
And then also subscribe to the Braille Gaming channel because we have one. Braille Army is also a good channel. They make videos and it's there as well. Troy doesn't have a channel, but if he did, he would have it there.
I have an Instagram.
Don't follow Troy's Instagram. He has the most follows.
If you like sunsets.
The whole point of all of these videos is to get you guys onto a skateboard. This is what we want to do. We want to get y'all onto riding skateboards because we think is very much fun and that we have it.
It's life-changing.
It's life-changing, it really is. So go right here and go to brailleskateboarding.com. If you don't have a skateboard, start now and get one. And get a video that teaches you how to skateboard. I like to call it skateboarding made simple. Maybe you could call it this is how I learned to skateboard. And then you can click right here to go to the other video, which is going to come up. It is the world's heaviest skateboards. If you haven't seen that one, I think this is even a part of it because this thing is so heavy, I'm holding it with my entire body weight.
Yeah. What he said.
Sure.
Please subscribe, like, and leave that comment below. I will see you tomorrow.